What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm inside a 97 Toyota Camry. It's got 122 original miles. It's in really nice condition. Ooh, AC is ice cold. Let's check the radio. And today we're going to be going to Modesto. I got this window regulator here that's broken on a Honda Accord. Got the info here, $70 window regulator. So we're going to go warranty it out, commercial sale. Hopefully with the commercial number should be here somewhere. So hopefully with that they'll be able to warranty it out for me. Let's get going. Hey guys, hold on. So I guess there might be someone that's gonna come look at this car right now, so we're gonna have to take another Toyota or something like that on the road because I gotta go to Modesto and back. But supposedly there's a customer for it, and what's going on right now, a lot of drama. Let me go find out. So this is the Toyota Camry. You see the paint is faded up, but it's got just about brand new tires here in the front. West Lakes. And there she is, maybe sold today. So we're gonna be taking this bad boy right here. This is a 2001 Toyota Camry, so it looks like we're gonna be driving this. You can see it's got some bullet holes in it. Adds character to the vehicle. And this is the Camry we're taking. Woo! So now we are inside the 2001 Toyota Camry. %100% cold start, 149,000 miles. Yeah, this stuff doesn't turn off. I've had a couple radios like this. Let me change it to Bluetooth. AC works. So guys, what happened there when my father / boss came up to the window and started getting all upset? It's mostly because, well, I've been gone from work for about a week and a half now. I started off on Monday and I've been late almost every single day. Can you blame me? Yes, 100%. He needs me here. I am a doer. I'm a go-getter. I'm the one that moves this business forward. I post Facebook, Instagram, OfferUp, YouTube. I post cars everywhere every single day, and I have not been doing that. Right now we have someone coming for the green Camry, so I hope they buy it. I just finished washing it. But my dad's just under a lot of stress, and I'm under so much stress right now. And he actually got the parts that, because we were gonna go with the window regulator, and he took it to Modesto. But I am so stressed with the loss of my child, because this is the second one that I've lost this year, and it feels absolutely terrible that I have developed this twitch in my eye. So right now, as I'm driving, I just feel my left eye pulsating and it's starting to twitch on my bottom eyelid. It's freaky. It's a really freaky feeling, and I'm kind of scared. I'm thinking, oh my God, what if I lose my eye over the amount of stress? Because like I said, I haven't been going to work. I've been trying to stay up and do these videos, but I have not been doing a lot of videos. I want to take a break, but I simply just cannot catch a break here or there. I am waking up at around 7:30, taking my son to school because of my girl. She's just not feeling well. You know, there's a depression setting in because at the exact same time she has also lost, just like me. She's going through a lot. She has a lot of cramps, bleeding, just the whole 9 yards. They say she's gonna be like that for another 2 weeks. So I am basically taking care of her, taking care of our son. I'm not working a lot. The bills are piling up, and I am just incredibly stressed. I come back to work and you see it's just such a high stress area selling cars. It really is. It's very difficult. But you see how I have my cars. I mean, every single car that I have is clean. I have this car fully serviced, motor oil, transmission oil, tires. It does have a little suspension noise in the front. I think it's the front shocks, and I don't think we're gonna replace them. But the car is driving very well. AC works, all the windows work, and that's kind of how I have all my cars. I just have them startup. Like, my job here at the dealership is to make sure every car starts, every car drives, every car smells good. This car smells good. I put air fresheners in all of them. So that's my job, and to ultimately sell them. So I have a guy coming in to see my green Camry. Hopefully he buys it. I already worked out a deal with him. We talked about price, we talked about this. So he's gonna come in, take a look. If it's what he thinks it is, which I know it's good, but the paint is faded, so hopefully he read the entire post. But if he thinks it's good, then he'll buy it, and we'll just have to see how it goes. So it's very good to have a sale. I don't think my parents at the dealership has sold anything for the last 2 weeks. I don't know if it's because I'm not there. I give off this really high energy, and I just don't got it. You know, it's plain simple. I just don't have the energy I used to have. I'm thinking I'll get it back in a couple of weeks when my girl is good and ready to go, when my son is good and ready to go. This week our school also put us in a pretty high stress situation. They just switched our son from a school in Modesto to a school back in our hometown, and it's been very difficult. Today our son got into an accident where he fell off the playground. They called us in. I had to go back to school right after dropping him off and pick him up again because he hit his head, and I guess he was playing tag with some other boys, and during lunchtime he had fallen. And that's no stress, but it's just extra things that you have to do. I showed up late today to work. I mean, I got home right at like 8:30 after dropping him off, and right away I started cleaning. I did the bathroom. You know, what the fuck? Come on, man, take it easy. Cleaned my bathroom, my toilets, bleached everything down. And I've been cleaning my bathroom a lot, like twice a week, with a lot of bleach. So I think maybe that could be affecting my eye as well, because the bleach can be pretty strong. But I've been bleaching the bathroom, the toilet, everything. Also the kitchen, I just mopped, swept, did all the dishes, cleaned the table, cleaned the stove. So it's just a lot of things that I'm doing. We can't do laundry right now. We haven't done laundry in like 2 weeks right now, and it's really, really bad. We're full of laundry, and I need help. But I get to work and my parents are upset with me instead of being understanding, and I can't even ask for help. I just feel so bad just asking for a little bit of help from my own parents. So just feeling really, really stressed about a lot of different things. I got this eye twitch now and afraid to lose my eye. I just googled it. It says it's probably just because of the stress and lack of sleep, and it's true. I have been stressed. I've been lacking in the sleep. You know, my parents, and I know they understand and they know what's going on. I mean, imagine how they feel too. They just lost a potential son to them too also, so it's just a lot. It's just a lot to lose two babies in the same year, and they want us to try again in 2 months from now. Look, here's the cemetery. I've been here more times this year than I've ever been in my entire life. I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back there, but there's someone who's buried there that's very important to me, so I have to go back. And I guess that's just part of being an adult, doing all these different things that you don't want to do. You know, I wish I could be home right now with my family and a cat. Especially today. You know, today was a good day. Today, even though it hasn't been good at work, I'm freaking crying already. Today's been bad. Today's been a good day too. Yeah, my son, he hit his head, so then we picked him up, and then I was doing all the chores, and then he out of nowhere, he brought the vacuum out, and he's like 6 years old, so he brought the vacuum all by himself because I've been teaching him how to vacuum. I usually have to set it up for him where we pull the cord out, I'll show him, and we'll plug it into the wall, and then he just goes to work. But this time he brought the vacuum all by himself, and he just started vacuuming the living room, and it's something that I showed him, so that's pretty cool. You know, I don't make him do a whole lot of work. I don't want to put too much chores on him. He should be focusing on his schoolwork and on his school and you know, little things that little kids should be focusing on. You shouldn't be focusing on making sure the house is clean. You know, that's mommy and poppy's job, mommy and daddy's job. man, I'm sorry, I didn't really want to talk about it this much in this video. It's kind of crazy because when this first happened, our first loss, like it took me like more than 6 months to talk about it, and now I'm just talking about it, and I can't stop talking about it. Oh man, like I talk about it, it's only been like 2 weeks since it happened, and I'm already talking about it. So you know, what are you gonna do? You gotta just talk about it, I guess. And it was actually my birthday like a week ago too, and we didn't even celebrate it. You know, I didn't really feel like celebrating it, and everyone's too busy with their own lives and things that are going on. So yeah, we're here at the dealer. Looks like someone else is here too. Let's see how this goes. It looks like someone's reversing out. Go forward. Oh man, how am I gonna sell a car when I'm all choked up and crying and crap? We'll see how it goes. It's Christian, my boy. Where should I put this thing? I'll put this thing over here. So it looks like the customer is here, and let's make a little bit of money, guys. When everything's going to shit, you know, you got to be the one to turn it around. Guys, that's a video. Like, comment, and you guys stay healthy, okay? I'll see you guys next time.